Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you an awesome real estate market analysis software, or more like a real estate investment analysis software as well. You can do both, literally. What I recommend is Propstream is probably the best real estate market analysis. Literally, it gives you all the data really to make the best analysis where pretty much in any state, in any city, whether you're a realtor or an investor. If you're a realtor working with buyers or sellers, you can pull data and create an awesome listing presentation to show. If you're a realtor working with a buyer, you can kind of look at the market as a whole just within this one software and check out MLS properties, or whether you want to go after different types, or even farming. Same if you're a realtor and you're trying to run market analysis, comps, and kind of figure out a new area you want to farm in, or send mailers, or do certain marketing campaigns. Because the cool thing is when you do your market analysis within this, you can run your marketing campaigns within this as well. Same goes for real estate investors. You can narrow down the markets that you kind of want to invest in, whether you want to look for markets to find homes to flip, or looking for a good area with good notes. So if you're looking for a buy or hold somewhere with good rental income, you can really narrow down the different pockets for that. Or same goes for multifamily. It has the data in here for multifamily units, so you can really run your market analysis with that as well. So it really, it works for both ends, whether you're a realtor or an investor. So I'll kind of just dive in and show you a glimpse of it. So I'm in San Diego. Let's just go check out Denver. Actually, I used to live in Denver. So the cool thing is right there, it pulls it. There's close to 27,000 properties in the MLS. We got 464 pre-foreclosures, 6 homes with the auction date coming up, 81 foreclosures. Recently, it's pulled altogether 22,000 cash buyers, which means someone bought the property all cash. There's around 8,400 homes with liens on them, 4,000 properties that are vacant, and around 108,000 with high equity. I'm kind of not surprised by how many homes have high equity. The thing with Denver, I remember living out there, is people live there for a very long time. A lot of people who are born there started their life there and have stayed on, and homes are a lot cheaper. Before, I know prices have definitely increased. So if you're looking for a rental property, Colorado has definitely been booming. But let's just look at the market as a whole. Great thing is with this tool, you can kind of look from a list view of the properties, or you just hit this button right here and it pulls up all the stats of the market. So we can see that the prices have changed. They've kind of gone up by 1.78% in the last 30 days. Rent has kind of gone up as well too, as we can see right here in the last 30 days. We can see that prices per square foot, you can kind of see a trend here from beginning of November of 2017. We can even print this out too as well, which is really awesome. So if you have to go on a listing presentation to show a seller, or if you're sitting down with some buyers just to show them the trends, so you can prepare them of what to expect when going into the market of the hopes of buying a property. We can see over here the average days on the market based off how many bedrooms. We can see over there the days over here from 0 to 50. We can see the norm seems to be a little bit above 50 to 60 days. We can even see the market trend over here, and we can even change it. See last 30 days, last 90 days, last 6 months, or even the last year. We can see that the market trend is kind of in Colorado has kind of gone down. So we see new listings 17,000, closed sales were around 9,000. Let's go back to last 90 days, see what it's been like. We can see, new pre-foreclosures. We even see the trend of average monthly rent by bedrooms as well. We can even see listing trend. We can change again how many days, last 30 days, 90 days, or 6 months to a year. Average days on market, average listing cost per square foot, or just average listing cost. So obviously the average listing cost is going for around $624,000. And also the amount of homes that have been for sale. And then we even have a little bit comparable of the list price versus sales price trend as well. And then we can even look at the sales trends by home sold, average sold cost, average sold cost per square foot, and days on market. And then again, we can see the comp down here of days on market versus inventory. So this is just an awesome tool for whether, again, you're a realtor or investor. I love how they just literally pulled all the stats. I know before I'm actually out here in California, so the way we get our information is a little bit different, and you have to kind of either the MLS gives you some, or you're comparing the MLS based off your local real estate board and going off the data they have on their site. So you're kind of jumping back and forth between sites and also your brokerage. If you're working with a brokerage based off the data they're giving you, literally within Propstream, they give you all the most accurate data all right here. And again, like literally you can just hit that and it'll download a PDF. And you can have that all right here. So again, if you're meeting with a buyer or listing presentation, or you're, just for yourself or for your office or your team, or to kind of give investors that you're working with, or it's just good information to know as an investor so you can find so you can better prepare yourself. So again, yeah, this is just a great round tool. You can even go to road view. So yeah, hopefully that is beneficial to you to figure out using Propstream as an awesome market analysis tool. The cool thing is you can even, we can dive deeper into this, but don't really have the time at the moment. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful for you in finding that information.